And the reason why we're here today at the JetBlue hangar is to raise money as part of a sort of 3 or 4 day event in New York to raise money for research connected to the children's pediatric cancer neuroblastoma. We come to New York because of a connection that I have with the city. My son had the illness and we brought him from the UK to be treated at Memorial Sloan Kettering. My son sadly passed away some 4 years ago, but we and the guys that make up Jack's Pack come back every year.
There is a max of 12 people per team. Today I think we have 17 teams, which is a first for us. Each year it keeps growing and more people are trying to come in and be a part of it.
Seth, you ready? Ready. Ready. Go. Come on, come on. Now. Come on, guys. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh man, this thing goes any faster, it's gonna get airborne. From the International Plane Pulling Confederation goes to the New York City Plane Police Department with a time of 26.4 seconds.
I can't pronounce the name of the hotel, but you'll know where you're going.
So 26 was the record this year. Next year we're going to come in shape and we're going to try and get it under 20. So
Bold predictions.